I would highly recommend to get this strut spring compressor kit. That is the brand and that is the part number down there. You can find these online. It makes the job easier, and then you'll just have this for later on jobs that you'll need. This will definitely come in handy.
I shouldn't have to run these words in the rhythm for you to know. In fact, let's be honest, at last, relax, see, was